Cameron Stewart calling in here again from Get Into Property Limited out here in Point Chev. We just finished the house in front. We're on to the second house here at the back. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, similar to the one that we've just done at the front. Slightly different format, but I thought I'd do a quick video of the outside here and show you what it looks like now. So this is video 1 out of 4 videos, so watch this space. This will be about a 4 or 5 week turnaround, so just bear with me. I will spin this camera around. So that's the house we've just done, but this is, these guys are famous, they love getting filmed. So we've got the boys are pulling down the fencing, and all new fencing will go right along here. So the previous owners have they had this garage, must have been put on over time, so this is actually getting ripped down because it's not on the flats plan. So that's getting ripped off, and it will just be another parking space, which will be quite usable anyway. So that will just make that all a bit more open. They had this set up as a rumpus type scenario, but we're just going to put it back to the garage. So as you can see in there, it is just a garage. You've got a bathroom and stuff through there as well. So it's actually got three bathrooms, this house. So it'll be all painted. Be painted the same as the house there. So we've had the gardeners in here this morning. They've started to cut down the trees, and all this here is coming off, and there'll just be the deck put back in place. So there was a big tree here. They've obviously cut that down already and tidied all this up a little bit, the gardeners, or messed it up, one or the other. And then we're going to be putting up a whole new fence right along this left hand side of the house. So a nice high fence, so we make it a lot more private. So that's a quick video 1 of the Point Chevalier house. Hope you're all having an awesome day. We'll see you next time. Watch this space. As I say, there'll be 4 videos over the series over the next few weeks, and showing you the progression from where it is now to where it will be. So have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Cameron signing out. How are we going, Facebook world? Cameron Stewart calling in from Get Into Property Limited, just out here at our house number 2 in Point Chev. Thought I'd do a bit of a quick video here just to show you the changes, what's going on here. What I might do is actually show you around the exterior first, just to give you a bit of a feel for what's happening. So we've obviously built a brand new Queeler deck out the front, got rid of the old lean-to that was there, done all new fencing around the boundary. A lot of the exterior building work's been fixed up. So as you can see, scaffolding will be turning up here in the next couple of days to obviously do the painting and things like that. We've fenced this corner off, put a little bit of a concrete path in here, pulled off the garage because that was actually illegal and it wasn't on the flats plan, so pulled that off. We've got this big parking space here. And then going around here, obviously new garage door, that window and all that's coming out. There used to be a big rumpus, just making it back. So that's looking back to the other house that we've just renovated. So this is obviously so if you're looking at it from here, Josh, here you go, mate. I'm just doing a video. Do you want to be famous on Facebook? So in here, obviously you got the bedroom here. So that's the 4th bedroom office. It's just a small one, to be fair. This is the lounge area here. The plasterers are doing their thing. As you can see, we had to put some new jib up. This is the sort of a dining area that goes out onto the deck here. It's looking back into the kitchen, so there'll be a big spacious kitchen goes in there, and then it's sort of like a U shape into the lounge area there. And there'll be glass balustrades put up here. That bloody glass will get ripped off. Up here, up the stairs, all new stainless things, handrails. That's the main family bathroom. The master bedroom, and then you've got your ensuite in there. Then you've got a storage cupboard here. Just put a new storage cupboard in. So up there, so that's quite good. And then we've built another big cupboard here as well. And then that's looking out obviously to the neighbours. And then, so you've got ensuite but main bathroom up here. And then there's actually another bathroom down here, which is kind of strange. There's another third bathroom down here. So that's all going to be a brand new garage door. Big garage too, big double internal garage. There was actually a little wall here, but it wasn't a load bearing wall, so we just pulled it out, and it just opened it up from the garage for the laundry there. And then there's another bathroom here. So there's actually 3 bathrooms, which is kind of strange. So yeah, that's the Point Chev. We're just down the road from Point Chevalier Beach, so a great location. And this is 3 bedrooms plus an office plus 3 bathrooms, big double internal garage. How are we going Facebook Live? Cameron Stewart calling in here from Point Chev. Thought I'd give you a bit of a progress video of what's been happening here over the Christmas break. As you'll see, there's been a fair bit happening. So we've got 2 completed properties here that are about to go on the market. So just bear with me, I'll spin the camera around. There's some dodgy guy behind me actually just walking there. Thought I'd better get him on camera. So as you can see, we did that house there. That was done, finished before Christmas, and this one here is on the final stages now. We're about 2 weeks from completion. All the painting's been done on the outside. Obviously we're going to be landscaping all this, planting some tea toki trees along this fence line, and levelling off all of the grass on the exterior. So as you can see, the front, it's all new decking, Quila decking. You got all the way down the side of the house here. It's all going to be levelled off. We'll plant this out with flaxes, etc. All of this grass and everything will be tidied up and levelled off. So I'll go around the outside first. So we've got this area here. There was an old garage on here before. If you go back through the old videos, there was an illegal garage on the back here that we've ripped off. Also the garage now, that was actually a big rumpus, and we've converted it back to a garage as it should be. So this is looking into the double internal garage. You've got everyone here doing their thing. Laundry area here. You've got your bathroom, downstairs bathroom here. All been redone. And you've got Fiona the master there painting away. Happy New Year. And then you've got up into here. So this is like the downstairs bedroom. It's only a small bedroom, single bedroom. There'll be a glass balustrade going on there, and also like a stainless rail going up the side there. This is the living area here. So it's all the painting's getting done at the moment. So this is all the living area, dining area. So as you can see, it's quite a, spacious sort of area, and it's good because it goes out onto the deck. So we've got a new kitchen all in here. We're right in the thick of painting here, so the boys are hard at it. All new flooring underneath there, underneath these drop sheets. It's all new flooring. And then upstairs, everything's under plastered and painted at the moment. So you've got your bathroom, main bathroom here. So sort of your family bathroom there. You've got 3 bedrooms upstairs. So this is the master. All new sliding doors on there, and also new sliding doors on the bathroom. This is the ensuite, obviously. And that's looking down outside. And then you've got bedroom 2. So we're actually doing the painting a little bit different. We're going to do all black white, so we're not going to cut anything in. We're just going to do it all the one colour. It seems to be the way a lot of people are doing it now, instead of cutting stuff in. So we made actually a new cupboard here. So you've got a big wardrobe here that we built, because there was no wardrobe in this room. And then obviously we've got a big, like, sort of a storage area above that cupboard. So a bit of extra storage facility. So that's the Point Chev house, house number 2. We've got 2 houses here, and they're about to both go on the market. So looking forward to an awesome 2020. I hope you're all having an awesome day, and we'll see you next time. Cameron signing out. How are we doing, Facebook? Cameron Stewart calling in here. Absolute cracker of a day up here in Auckland. Warm as. I think we've hit about 30 degrees up here, just out here in Point Chev. We've just finished house 2, and that was obviously house 1 there, and also we've got house 2 here's just been completed. There's just a single room, just needs some carpet put in, but thought I'd do my final video here, just showing you the progress. This is video 4, so if you scroll back through the feed, you'll see videos 1, 2 and 3, and you'll see from where it started to where it is now is quite a transformation. So just bear with me. I'll spin this camera around. So this is, I've still got to get rid of the bin, and we're going to water blast all of the driveway. So this property there starts there. So that's the exterior of the property. So this is going through the front. You've got a few titoki trees and stuff planted along here. So this is the front of the property. So you've got a big Quila deck here. So good outdoor living. So as you can see, it's looking a lot better than what it was. We pulled off all the illegal stuff that was on the outside. So this is looking into the kitchen / dining. So as you can see, it's been staged. It's been staged by Auckland Home Stages. They do a great job. So you've got a big spacious kitchen here, all brand new appliances. It's got sort of like a waterfall bench there. All Bosch appliances, gas hob. And there's a light that runs along the bottom here. Oh, so along the base here, that all lights up, which is quite cool. Got quite high ceilings, which gives it a bit more of an open space. So that's looking from the kitchen into the dining area. And then looking back out onto the deck, then you've got a living area here. And then this is walking out the hallway. You've got your glass balustrade here. all new stainless railing up the side. That's looking at the front door there. This is just a single bedroom. They ran out of carpet or something happened, so they're coming back tomorrow to do that. So that's a single bedroom, or it could be used as an office. I'll look down in here first. So this is the garage, big double internal garage. You've got the staging just in the garage until we put the carpet in the other room. So all brand new garage door. You got your laundry here, and then you've got another bathroom here. We're just waiting for the toilet, another toilet. Part of it got broken, so we've got a new one. All brand new shower. So this is quite a weird house actually, because it's 4 bedrooms but it's got 3 bathrooms, so I don't know why that was ever done that way, but it was. So this is looking up the stairs now. So then you go up the stairs, and then to the right hand side you've got your family bathroom. So you've got your toilet with your bath over the shower, obviously vanity and your mirror there. Then you've got your master bedroom. So you've got your master bedroom here. That's looking back out to the hallway. Big cupboards. And then you've got your ensuite here. So your toilet, your vanity and your shower. Tiles all the way to the roof. Man, it's hot in here. Here's your 3rd bedroom. So you got your big blinds over the windows. Another big double, really good, another big cupboard through here, which is good. And then you've got another double bedroom here, and it's just looking out over the roof line. And we've got another big cupboard here with also extra storage space that we built up the top. So that's the Point Chev house 2. We started this just on Christmas pretty much, and the boys sort of just potted away at it over the Christmas period. So we're all good to go now. Staging's pretty much all done, and I think we're getting photos done Wednesday, and then we'll be on the market and hopefully first open homes this weekend. So if you're looking for a house in Point Chev, or you know someone, we've got 2 houses here. The front house is a 3-bedroom, 2 bathroom, similar style to this, slightly different floor plan. And then this one's a 4 bedrooms, 3 doubles, 3 bathrooms, and big double internal garage. So hope you're having an absolute cracker of a day. If you see value in my page, please like and share what I do. If it wants to give you some ideas around renovations, property development, whatever the case may be. Yeah, have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Cameron signing out.